Hi guys, today we're having a look at my Snap-on toolbox. This isn't my main one, this is my one I use for my model boats. So if you're interested in model boats and Snap-on tool chests, by all means have a look with me. And what have we got in here? Absolutely loads of pliers, cutters, Allen headed sockets, ratcheting screwdriver. Got a 1/2 inch set there, not that I use that for the boats, that's more for the cars. This is the interesting bit for the boaters. I've adapted this so all my props are in there. So these are all my 2-bladed Octura propellers. That drawer there, we've got some of my 3-bladed props. We've got some metric nut drivers for all the smaller parts on the boat. And it's just some odds and sods, that's for tying the boats down in the trailer. Screwdriver set. That one's for the glow plugs. Smaller, what's that? Some Torx screwdrivers there. Flank drive spanners. That's for the car really, not for the boats. And I've got some miniature spanners to see these are for the boats. File set, micrometer, 1/4 inch set, and that's just some parts for some of the boats I'm building. So there you go, there's my toolbox. This fits in my trailer. I've designed the trailer so that this will actually fit in the front of the trailer when I go racing the boats. So I just thought I would show you that. See what you think. Take care.